Welcome to the Tune Project. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the tune Sugar in the Gourd on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below so it's able to reach more people. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one regularly here, so consider hitting that subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed below if you'd like to skip around, and if the pacing is a little too slow or fast for you, you can adjust the speed in your video settings. And if you're interested in kicking things up a notch and learning the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added fiddle flair like ornaments and double stops, then definitely check out the extended tutorial over on Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Alright, so for this one we're in the key of A major, and I'll go ahead and play this first phrase for you and do your best to repeat it. Okay, so we started on a C sharp and we had just a little bit of back and forth between the A and E strings. Moving on to the next phrase, we're starting on open E, and the phrase goes like this. Okay, so just a little bit more movement there, but a lot of that was in stepwise motion. We had a little scale pattern on the E string, so be sure to look for all of those patterns as usual. And then let's move on to this next phrase where we're starting on an F sharp this time, first finger on the E string. And then for this next phrase, we're starting on the A string with a B, and then we're coming down to the D string. So be sure to listen for those string changes. And that is everything we have for the A part. The form of this tune is A, A, B, B, so we would go back and repeat that A section. But now let's go ahead and play that A section together for more practice. 1, 2, ready, go! So now moving into this B part, we have a slightly shorter B section. We only have 2 phrases that we're working with here. And the first one begins on the A string with the first finger B, and it goes like this. Picking up on that B note for this next phrase. And hopefully you recognized that last phrase from the A part. We do have the same ending for both of these sections. So now, just like we did for the A part, let's go ahead and play this B part together at a slow tempo for more practice. 1, 2, ready, go! Well, congratulations for learning Sugar in the Gourd with me today. I really hope you enjoyed that one, and hopefully once you're a little bit more comfortable with the tune, you'll be able to work up the speed. And now that you're finished learning the basic version of this tune, if you're interested in taking it to the next level and adding in some double stops and fiddle ornaments, definitely head on over to Patreon for the extended version of the tutorial where we dig a little deeper into this tune. And if you tend to learn better with sheet music, I do have my arrangement of this tune in the sheet music store, so feel free to check that out using the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing! Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members, so if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon.